kurigereria mugavana wa county ya Makueni Mheshimiwa NIGO sokire na komochiga ATEBIRE ande mona bajumbe hase bunge nene ne bunge ya seneta sokwenekia obokuru michingaki chomorobiri bokurusi wa bisiko yokabero mokonyi bomorai bwensi ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua sebona ATEBIRE yuno kogenda maminchaneri chiko nigo chingaki cha bodre ba Kenya kwenekia nkobeka bare emeroberio yogocha kumusira Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka seganga yae yokorie kergo kyoborai bwensi hase ngencha sense media yokwameria serikali nero morai utabwati KEMOA KENDE GIONSI.
The Z revolution was a violation of our data protection because watu walifuatwa na masimu na watu wakapatwa kwa mtu. It's a fact. When I listened to what Junet Mohammed said, people took money to violate the constitution, to remove Rigathi Gachagua. Watu walipatiwa 10 million. What can these people do to sell this country? And you have a man here who has not taken anybody's shilling. And when somebody stands up to speak, they say, oh, you know, Kalonzo has been in leadership for 40 years. The credibility that Kalonzo Musyoka has, you can take it to the bank. You can take Kalonzo to the bank, umweke kwa vault, upatiwe pesa. And that is the way to go. So Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, watu sishangae, they want to buy you, they want to talk about you, they've made you national agenda. Money wene. Kalonzo Musyoka was trending. Wakazima hata mataa. Because of this money. Mukono ngito.